Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.006983. 24-hour volume, we are down 20%, and market cap here, we are down 2.55%. So heading over to the chart here, you guys, on our weekly chart, I'm going to cover our day and then immediate short term for 1 hour. But essentially, we can see this descending triangle itself have broken off last week as we're following it on a daily videos here. We can see again huge selling pressure, but if we take a look, so far we have 2 more days within the week and the volume itself is not matching the same volume as last week. So we're only at 1.199 billion trades, considering that we only have 2 more days. Coming up to retest this support turned into resistance now may not be feasible for Jasmy, and we may actually come down to retest our fib chart at 127%, which is equivalent to 0.00618. So we are going to be watching it fairly closely here. As we can see, last week has initiated a selling opportunity in our RSI as we see the white line and the pink line cross over. Again, essentially saying that we are overbought and there is a that we are overbought and there is a selling opportunity to be found in a shorter time frame, and we're going to take a look at that here on a daily time frame here. So on a daily time frame, what we can see again here is the bridge, or here is the crossover, essentially going through our 61 and 78% fib, retracing down here at 66.93. So if you can see the characteristics, what we may expect for Jasmy is consolidation sideways. That basically means that price is going to move from resistance to support in a side price action. So coming down to an area of support, we possibly might come up and retest our area of resistance, giving us a considerably overbought number, because if we take a look at our RSI, we're at 59% for our K line. Essentially, when we reach up to the 80%, that is going to be considered as overbought and another selling opportunity may present itself. But if we take a look here at this sell off or this crossover, only at 33%. So that gives us the hint, that does give us the signal that the bulls are not pushing the price in this rally, and essentially it formed a hanging man candlestick itself, which does show a lot of weakness when it comes to the rally of the bulls, and the bears took over. So seeing that low of an RSI does show a lot of weakness in the market itself on a daily average, and again we may come up and retest the 7507. As we can see, the MACD indicator is showing lightness in color of these bars at the very bottom indicator, and potentially may show us that it's going to flicker from the red over to the green at a key essential area. But because on the RSI, if we do reach the 7507 price, it is going to be triggered as a overbought signal and price is going to retrace down. So, predicting that price on a daily average for Jasmy is going to consolidate sideways is just essentially a pause in the overall trend itself, and we already know the overall trend is a bear trend on our weekly time frame. So this is something that we're going to monitor every single day and see the characteristics, of course, with our candlesticks as well. But going into our hourly chart here, we can see more refined in the days, opposed to that 1 day. But essentially what we can see again is we're getting capped up on this resistance line here. The resistance simply is the 70678. A few candlestick itself was retracing around this level, and we have an area of point of interest of a support number, which is the 69405. So around this range here, we can see a few of our candlestick bodies and a few of our candlestick wicks were able to hold on to the support. So consider that on our RSI, we may have a selling opportunity presenting itself in the next couple of hours to come, because we can see that the white line and the pink line are colliding together. And again, when it does cross over, it is going to give us that selling opportunity here. And price, again, is already considered to be overbought at a key area of resistance. So if it is overbought at an area of resistance, price again is going to come back down, and we can hopefully rely on this key area of support that we have been in the last couple of hours here. So again, it may come down here depending on how strong the momentum is, and we can see the momentum is getting slower in the bear trend itself. So we may come back down, flicker over from the red to the green, hold on to support, and retest our resistance line once again, depending on how, again, the strong the current is of our MACD indicator. As you guys can see back here on September 1st, we went from the red into the green, huge bars, was able to break through key areas of fib retracements, but most importantly, was able to break through our 20 moving average, changing the trend of this short immediate term of 1 hour to bear to bulls. So that's just something that we are going to be taking a look at, and be careful as well in retesting key areas of support and resistance today. But do consider that we are overbought at the moment, and price is going to come back down. And take a look at the area as 69372 to see if we can be able to hold that area if we are considered to be oversold, and also our MACD indicator, if it does change into the red to the green at that point of interest, we are going to have a really nice bounce. So that's my video here for Jasmy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.